everyone, it's Kat here. Welcome to my channel. So I wanted to showcase a digital junk journal kit that has been designed by Marcee Dugger from J Rustic Creations. Now she does have an Etsy shop and there is a listing on there for this digital kit. I met Marcy on a Facebook group. Now Marcy's American and I'm Australian, and I honestly don't remember which Facebook group it was, but Marcy had just posted that she wanted some feedback on this kit, and I saw the work and I absolutely loved it. It is absolutely stunning. I've seen a lot of kits and there's a lot of great kits, and Marcy's work is up there. So Marcy's background is that she has designed scrapbooking kits for 10 years. So she has a lot of work that she's done, and Marcy is now going through the process of redesigning all of her work and putting them into junk journal kits for us to use. And her work is, as I'm not just saying this, I am absolutely blown away. So Marcy has come up with this beautiful kit, and she's also shown me a preview of her next project, and it's equally amazing. So I really think that Marcy is going to have a lot of success because her work is absolutely beautiful. But the colours are just gorgeous. You know, these beautiful vintage patinas, beautiful blues and beiges, and just the work that she's done, even to the point that you can see like the book cloth peeking through the pages there. So I've printed out the kit and I wanted to showcase the pages, and then I'm going to talk a little bit about what my plans are for this kit. It's just totally inspired me, and I'm just going to be creating or putting all my creative juices into this project for sure. So this is the first page. So I've just printed it out on now I use a good quality copy paper. I think I use Burroughs from memory. So I will be tea staining this, but because I printed out the kit on my LaserJet printer, and I will lightly tea stain the back. To me, the kit is just very feminine and very just gentle, delicate, beautiful. So that's the first page there. So this is the second page here. You can see some lovely botanical images in the background, and then it's overlaid by some beautiful script, and then the colours that she's used is just gorgeous. You can see some slight lines there, and then you can see the middle of what would be the book. So these first two pages here, I think, or the first few pages actually, I think I will use as collage backgrounds. This one here, again, it's you can see vintage there, beautiful little wreath, or beautiful decoration, beautiful little birds there in a branch, and just lovely botanicals, another lot of birds there, some script in the background, and just beautiful colours. So this one here is looks like ledger paper, and you can very faintly see some script in the background, and some botanical that very faintly muted in the corner there. So again, I think I'll use this as a base for some collaging. Then she's got this beautiful, different postcard graphics here, some stamping, and then she's got this beautiful script. So the first few pages I showed you, to me, it just looks like they would just be beautiful as a bit of collaging. So this is the first double page that I would use as a journal page. So you can see she's got some lovely decorations on the side there, very ornamental. She's got a light chandelier there, and then you can see that she's got like almost like a little pocket peeking out with a couple of little bits of digital ephemera there. You can even see a little clip, a metal clip that's over the little journal card there. This is another one of the pages here. So it's full of beautiful birds, and there's some botanical images in the background there, some leaves, some script, and a little cherub angel there. Yes, there's some angel wings there. Just beautiful, absolutely stunning. And look at this, guys. Beautiful. I love these colours. Just absolutely love this beautiful teal sort of colour, and just look at this beautiful patterning and this little crown there, and oh, she's got just so many little overlays there. It's just absolutely stunning. And here's another one of her pages with again, see in the middle there, you can see it's like it's a beautiful worn tattered book with a little bit of the book cloth showing through, and this lovely gorgeous vintage lady here, and then this beautiful little robin here, or sparrow, I'm not really sure what it is, but it's beautiful, absolutely beautiful. So another one of the pages, and the kit is so generous. There are so many pages, you know, a bit of a mirror peeking on the side there, more embellishments there, and then look, she's got all this Paris writing and almost like Paris signage and labels and botanicals, and again, look how tattered that middle bit there is. So this one here, she's got a butterfly, and then, you know, a bit of a mirror poking through, or something, maybe a photo frame, I'm not sure, but just absolutely beautiful. And this one here, again, beautiful scripting on the page. Just look at that. I just love that. And a key and a carte postale, little pocket there on the side. And then you've got a lantern there, a street lantern, some more beautiful writing there, French I would say, and then this little embellishment up here with the butterfly and the gorgeous little vintage little girl there in a photo frame. It would just make such a beautiful classical writing journal for some special lady who would absolutely appreciate this. I can see laces and delicate embellishments throughout this journal. Look at that, beautiful roses. I'm just looking at all the pages in awe myself, because it's just truly a beautiful kit. And this one here, look at the botanicals on that one there. Just love it. Just so vintage, so beautiful, and it's just all muted nicely in the background there, and that middle bit there. Personally, I would use these pages as decorative pages. You know, I might put a pocket, or I might put, you know, a scrappy, or, you know, just something through there. And then you get all these letters as well. Now, I'm not sure if these actually come with the kit or whether these were extras that she sent me, but I'm going to work with those. I don't really know how to use these in my junk journals, but I've been starting to. So that's a challenge for me to see what I do with these. So these are the ephemera pieces that come with the kit. So you can see these banners here, and you could use that as a belly band or a pocket, little journal card there. She's got some more tags there with a pocket matching, and then some circles that you could cut out. That's the tag there with that beautiful vintage lady there. And again, some more ephemera there that you can cut out and use throughout the journal. I mean, to be honest, by the time I cut all these pieces out and fill them up with the journal, there probably wouldn't be a lot of room left to add further embellishments. So this would be a fully contained junk journal kit, and then you can add, you know, your own little bits to it. So some more journal cards there. At first I wasn't sure if I'd be able to cut that all out, but looking closely I could fussy cut that out quite easily. And it goes on. It is just such a beautiful, generous kit. I love the butterflies on this one. Absolutely love. And look at the envelope here. It actually looks like a real envelope, and it's got a little piece of tape there. The extra attention to detail is just amazing. And then you've got this page here full of tickets and journal cards and another bit of that decoration that was on some of the pages. So my ideas are that I've got this book here, and I've always loved this book. It's even starting to wear a little bit on the spine there, and it's got some beautiful embossing on it. So my ideas is that I'm going to gut this book and use this as the cover. I'm going to need to lighten that down a little bit, so it'll be interesting. But I do have an idea for what I'm going to do for the cover. But you'll see, if I grab some of these pages here, like this one here, you'll see that I've been dyeing some lace. So I'm going to use these throughout the book, and I've also got these bits of lace here as well. And I've been pulling out, you know, little bits that I found that I thought would go nicely. And I also found this old map in one of my books that I thought would go nicely in there too. So that's what I'm going to be working on, and I just wanted to show the pages of this beautiful kit. So I will link Marcy's Etsy shop and her YouTube channel. Now, Marcy is only just starting out on social media, so she's getting her head around how to work this all, but going by her talent in her designs, I'm sure she's gonna suss it out. And anyway, I am so looking forward to working on this project, and I will film it when I'm finished. So take care everyone, have a lovely day. We'll talk soon. Bye.